Riki, wake up, man. Hey, wake up. Wake.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Riki Elite, and I'm back with some heat. You already know what I got planned. I know you seen that title. I know you seen that thumbnail. So I'm about to go crazy. So Hundro's in the room right now. He just got AirPod Pro, so they're noise canceling. He don't know nothing that's going on around him. So I just ran out the room to go make this intro. So I need everybody to stop what they doing and like the video. Like, it takes 1 second. Like the video, comment and subscribe if you're new to the channel, because all I bring is bangers. So right now I'm gonna go in the room, I'm gonna hide the camera somewhere, I'm probably gonna put it on the charger and put a shirt over it, and I'm going to be moaning in my sleep to get his reaction. Now he gonna think I'm playing, or I really don't know what he's gonna think, but I'm gonna be moaning in my sleep, making noises to try to like turn him on or see what he really gonna do. So let's get right into it.
Bruh, you knocking my phone out my hand, crazy? And kicking my head.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm really tired.
That's not how you get into bed properly. You should.
Please stop screaming. Take the
my fault.
loud AirPods out.
It's the noise canceling for me.
Can you take them out, please?
I feel like I'm in my own world.
Okay. I'm about to crash because I'm really tired. So keep the noise.
Noise canceling, can't hear it. To this, Granny. I put my embalming because she pretty. Hey. I forgot, fuck on her face. Catch out on the phone today.
Stop.
How about that Ryan race?
Take them out.
Hey.
Move.
I'ma go tonight, yeah, what I
Take
ate.
the AirPods out.
You ruining my vibe, bro. You see me vibing, bro. I'ma take my gun. You be tripping, bro.
That be you.
You trying to go to sleep early anyway, bro. I am a little tired though. You don't be making no noise when I go to sleep. Keep the level down. I was already on the inside. Bro, you good? Bro. Bruh. Nigga, I thought you was going to sleep, not having sexual orgasms with your eyes closed. Hello? You good over there? bro, you good, bro? Hey, what are you doing?
What are you talking
I thought you just said something about going to sleep, bro. You making noises, bro. Like, come on now.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're not the only one that's trying to go to sleep now. You told me to take my AirPods out. I took my AirPods out, bro. Now you moaning in your sleep. Like, what you having a dream about over there, bro? Keep that noise down, man. No sense for all that. Riki, wake up, man. Hey, wake up. Wake up.
What are you doing?
Nigga, who is in your dream, bro? Who you have a dream about?
Ow! Bruh, can I just
Nigga,
sleep?
do you know what you doing right now?
I'm not doing nothing. Can I just sleep?
I'm laying down, and I'm thinking I'm having a dream, cause I'm hearing, like, bro, what's good with you, bro?
I'm making noises?
Yes. Who you having a dream about? You having a wet dream?
What?
You having a wet dream? Who you having a dream about?
Bro, you
Who you
tripping,
thinking?
bro.
Who you was thinking about before you lay down?
Are you tripping, bro?
Who you was thinking about before you lay down?
Go to sleep!
Anyone in there? Come on, bro. What's
No,
up with you?
I'm okay. I'm just tired. I'm just probably just
No,
snoring
bruh,
or something.
That you,
Bro, I'm snoring.
You, like, come on, bruh.
I'm snoring, bro. Let me
Sound like a little cool over here or something, like a coyote or something. Like, come on, man, what you on, man? Nigga just wish he could sleep. Fucking sleep in peace. Yeah, we already took all the damn pillows. Fucking sleep. Oh my god. Wake up, bro. You not sleeping. Wake up, bro. Hey. Nigga, what are you waking up? Like you having a nightmare. Who are you having a dream about, bro? Tell me right now, nah, for real. Like, nah, I'm not playing. Like, come on, bro.
Why you keep waking me up and you hit me?
Come on now, real talk. Like, come on now, stop beating around the bush. What you moaning in your sleep for?
I'm snoring.
That's
That's
not no snoring, bro.
Ow!
That's not no snoring, bro. You, what is that, bro?
What was I doing?
What? That's what I hear, bro. Who you having a dream, bro?
Bro, you tripping, bro. You about to blow me. I'm tired, bro. Dang. Let me sleep.
Brother, no, that's
Dang.
that,
You never sleep in peace, bro.
bro, you not hearing what I'm
You doing too much.
You're not hearing what
You doing too much, bro.
You're not hearing what I'm hearing.
Dang.
You're not hearing what I'm hearing, bro.
Boy, if you don't.
I ain't gonna go sleep right now. Sleep and shit, bro. Like you a damn baby whining or some shit. You would've thought we had damn kids in here. You having a wet dream or something, huh? You wet?
You nasty.
You wet?
Where you got your clothes on for?
I can't sleep in here with you, bro. Not with that moaning, bro.
Where you about to sleep?
Not in here.
Bro, you serious,
Come on,
bro?
Like, that ain't even cool, bro. Like,
Bro, you serious?
You over here having dreams about people and shit, moaning in your sleep and shit, bro. Like, you got a succubus in your dream or something, bro? Like,
Where you going? Where you going?
fucking sleep right now. Man.
Yo.
What, bro?
Look.
Too fucking late for this shit.
Look. Bro, look.
What? Come on, man. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
You is not that tired. You're not that tired.
I've got tired now because I'm using my damn energy because you over here, like, come on.
Okay, I was pranking you. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I was just moaning in my
who you was having a dream about?
It was a prank. I was doing it on purpose. Dang, bro. Can you do a prank in peace? You always think it's somebody else.
No in peace. I'm hearing, like, come on, bro. That's not no in peace. That's not in peace. I can't sleep in peace. You talking about prank in peace. I can't sleep in peace. You gonna, like, come on, bro. You got the camera on my face, man. Come on.
So I got you, is what you saying?
Oh.
So I didn't get you.
No, you didn't.
Nah, he mad. He mad.
Give me that shit.
There you have it, guys.
Walking it, bitch, keep a Glock in my garment. All my young niggas gon' shoot like the Hornet. Can't even hit in my out there informant. Nigga walk up, I'ma shoot with no warning. Ayy, I send a blitz and they swarming. I got a stick on me when I'm recording. I got a stick on me when I'm performing.